Hello everyone, this printer is Epson EcoTank ET-2950 series. I want to show you how to connect this printer to Wi-Fi direct. What you need to do is you need to go to the menu, scroll down to the settings, OK to the settings, then scroll down and select network settings, select OK, then scroll down to select Wi-Fi setup, select OK. Then it will show you Wi-Fi or Wi-Fi direct. Scroll down to select Wi-Fi direct, select OK to Wi-Fi direct. It will show you connect the printer and device directly when you do not have Wi-Fi network. Then select OK. Mobile device connected via Wi-Fi will automatically be switched to Wi-Fi direct connection. Then select OK. It will show you setting up. Use Wi-Fi direct. The next thing to do is you need to select OK, then scroll up and select print status sheet. Select OK to print status sheet. Print network status sheet. Yes. So it's going to print network status sheet, and this information will contain the Wi-Fi direct password. Then this information we printed out contains wireless is off. Then if you look on the Wi-Fi direct, it will show you Wi-Fi direct is on and also the password. So the Wi-Fi direct password and everything is available here. So I'm going to cancel. Once you printed out network status sheet, you will see the Wi-Fi direct password. Then you go back to the home page, go to your phone settings. To connect it via Wi-Fi direct, you need to go to mobile phone settings, go to connections, then go to Wi-Fi network, select direct, Epson ET-2950 series, select on it. Then it will ask you enter password. Then you enter the password we printed out from network configuration report. So I'm going to put the password. Double check the information to make sure the information you put is correct. Then you select connect. Will show you checking the quality of your internet. Checking the quality of your internet. Internet may not be available. Then you select connect only this time. Will show you connected without internet. So this printer is connected via a Wi-Fi direct. If you want to add it using the app, you can go to Play Store and search Epson Smart Panel. Epson Smart Panel. Install the app on your phone, then open the app. Then it will show you set up a product. So the printer is found. Select on the printer. Showing us connection is complete. Then you select OK. This is the printer and ink level. So this is how to connect the printer via a Wi-Fi direct. To print out the document, select print. Then select print document. Then scroll down and select specific document you want to print out. This is one-page document. Then select the settings. Select the correct printer. Select the size of the paper as A4. Media type plain paper. Borderless. Print quality high. And also I want us to print it in color. Then select number of copies. Then select done. Then select print. The document is printing. This is via Wi-Fi direct. This is the document we printed out from mobile phone to this printer via Wi-Fi direct. Scan document. So open the glass scanner, put the document you want to scan face down, close the cover. Make sure the document starts from the bottom right. Then select scan. Select the size of the paper as A4. We want to scan it in color, resolution, standard 300 dpi. Then select start. So the document is scanning. So this is very handy if you haven't got network. The document is scanned. If you want to scan another page, then you select scan. You can do this as many as you like. Once you finish, then you select next. You can save the document and also decide the location where you want to save the document. Then you select save. The file is saved. To print it out, we'll ask you, do you want to go back to home page? Select no. To print it out, select the share icon. We'll give you platforms to share the document. You can send it to email, but I want us to print it out. So select Epson Smart Panel. So the document is attached. Then you select print. The reason is printing double-sided because the previous settings on this phone are selected print on two-sided. So if you want to print one side, you need to go to the settings and select the settings to print on one side. This is the document we scanned and printed it out. If you want to print it one-sided, go to the settings, just remove two-sided, select two-sided off, then select number of copies, then select print, then select print. This is the document we printed out, single page. So this is how to connect the printer to Wi-Fi direct from mobile phone, print out a document to confirm, and also scan document to mobile phone via Wi-Fi direct. Then it will ask you, do you want to go back to homepage? Then you select yes. It helped the channel. Thank you.